Good morning everybody and welcome to my online English video class. In today's class we are going to solve all question answer of the chapter number 12, that is the Canterville Ghost. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 is talking about we have not cared to leave the place ourselves. It gives you a strange scary feeling. What place is the speaker is talking about? Why does it give a strange, scary feeling? Paragraph 1 to 5. You can check all the question in your book. So answer is the speaker is talking about Canterville Chase. It gives us strange, scary feelings because the residents have heard strange sounds from the corridor and the library and have reported seeing and hearing a ghost. Okay. Question number 2. and it always uh, and it always makes appearance before the earth or before the death of my family member. What does Lord Canterville mean by this statement? How does Mr. Otis choose to react? What does this tell you about him and his beliefs? So question 2. By this statement, Lord Canterville means to say that the presence of the ghost scares people so much that it often resulted in their death. However, Mr. Otis appears to think that the deaths have nothing to do with the ghost and are a mere coincidence. That is coincident. Okay. Tells us that he is not afraid of ghosts and perhaps does not believe in them. Question number 3, I will read from the book. See the book on page number 130. It is given based on the story 2. How say how the writers brings out the about the ghost in the contrast and the tradition of modern waves of the life in this story. So in scene 2, the tradition elements are represented by Mrs. Umni, while the modern elements are presented by Mr. Otis, the Otis family, presented by the Otis family. The clash between the two elements is thus brought out in their interaction with each other after the blood stain is discovered. Okay. Mrs. Umne is terrified while the Otis family mocks the very possibility of a ghost. Mrs. Umne comes from England and traditional country and represent traditional beliefs such as fear of supernatural and the unknown. We see this in her attitude towards the ghost. She appears to be afraid of it and does not want to anger it. The Otis family comes from America, a more modern country, and thus they stand from a modern beliefs, um, such uh, such as refusal of belief in ghost and spirit. They refuse to even acknowledge the ghost's presence and ignore all the ways in which he tries to scare them. Then question 4. Question 4 is this. Question 4 is this: that scene 1 to 5 show us different parts of the story as it progressed, but there is one place within a scene where we see something that happened generation ago. What do we see in that place? So this is the question number 4 that we see here. Okay, so in scene 1 we see what the ghost did the Dowager Duchess of Bolton, the great aunt of Lord Canterville. Okay, question number 5. Here question number 5 is talking about And I, a ghost who can play nine pins with my own bones. Here the ghost gives a scary but comical vision of himself. Why does he do this? Is it scare his terminators, or to convince himself that he is a ghost is indeed scary? Scary, indeed scary. So this question now we are going to solve. Question number 5. Here we see that the ghost is trying to take on a monstrous appearance, and thus we know that he's trying to scare his tormentors. Okay, tormentors. However, his lack of fear has left him confused, and so he feels the need of remain reminded himself that he is scary. Question number 6 I will read from book, that we only met the ghost in the end. Until then we are only made aware of the presence of the ghost through eerie sound and strange effect. Number point 1 is talking about, does the appearance of the ghost evoke a different reaction in you than from the time the writer first mentioned in his presence? If yes, so what types of reaction? So according to you, student, you can write that at the beginning the ghost would be scary, but at the end, when the chapter is concluded, we find that the ghost was quite amusing. Okay, 6b answer is 6b question is talking about, does your reaction have anything to do with the Otis family's treatment of the ghost? In what way does their behavior influence your feelings? So it is also very simple that people here, we find that generally people have afraid of ghosts. Okay, people have afraid of ghosts, but here Otis family treated the Canterville ghost as it is not a ghost, rather a toy. So their behavior made me, or means, do you think that the ghost in a different and funny way? Okay, question number 7. What is the main point of the story? Choose the. There are 4 options given, so here you have to choose any one. Any one. I will show the question. So in out of 4 you have to choose anyone. What is the main point of the story? So there are 2 things according to me that could be that this is the idea that here you can have a different belief according to the according to Otis family about the ghost, है ना? And otherwise one more thing is very important. So here is a contrast to make fun of American and British culture, as there are 2 family belongs from America and one is belong from British, means from England, no? So there is contrast in their opinion. So and question number 7, there are A and D, they both can be correct according to the point of the story. So that was all about the question answer of this chapter. Students are supposed to write all the question answer in their copy, and if you have any problem you can talk to me. Exercises can be given you in a PDF form, so don't worry, all exercises will be sent you on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, student, and have a nice day.